How are we all? Crypto with Chriso back at ya. Just thought we'd do a really quick video, another one on Coinspot. Now I've used Poly to transfer my funds into Coinspot. Now I'm not going to show you that because it logs into my bank account and things, but you can see I've pulled out or moved over to Coinspot and it all happens instantly, $700 Australian. Okay, so we can go and buy some crypto. So then we go up to here, see buy and sell, and we're going to go in and we're going to buy some BTC. Okay, now obviously everything is in Australian dollars, so at the moment one Bitcoin is 25,000 and some change. So let's hit 700. All right, let's buy 700 worth. Let's buy. Yes, I want to confirm that. Holy crap, the fees are expensive, aren't they? Hang on a second. Yeah, that's still okay. Alright. We'll go back to our dashboard. Oh, we could have went to the wallets. And you can see our fees have been taken out already. And we've got 2762801. Beautiful. So there we go. That's how that happens. It all happens instantly. We can go into our wallet now and send or sell it or do whatever the hell we want. Okay, there we go. Only a short one now. Now, next, stay tuned. We're going to show you what to do with your crypto. So we're going to go into another program now. So stay tuned. Now, don't forget, people, we're going to go into this other program. Don't forget, people, the link will be in the description below of how you can get your own Coinspot wallet. Link in the description and the little referrer code that we need to put in when you register. All right, have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon.